Now I would like to discussion about the degree first semester chemistry. So this chemistry syllabus comes under the following universities: Telangana, in Telangana state, Kakatiya University, Usmania University, Mahatma Gandhi University, Palamur University, Telangana University, Shadavana University. So this is the degree chemistry first semester. Degree first semester containing the 4 units. First unit inorganic, second unit organic chemistry, third unit physical chemistry, fourth unit is also general chemistry. So simple. First unit, let us take the out of 4 units. Now I would like to discuss about the first unit. First unit, that is the containing the 2 chapter. This comes under the inorganic chemistry. So just first chapter is the chemical bonding. So second one is the p block elements. P block elements, group 13, 14, 15. Second unit is the organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, first lesson is the structural theory in organic chemistry, bond polarization. Second one is the acyclic hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. In the chapter we will going to discuss. Third topic, aromatic hydrocarbons. Unit number 3, physical chemistry, atomic structure and elementary quantum mechanics. Second lesson, gaseous state. Third lesson, liquid state and solutions. Fourth unit, general chemistry. That is the general principles of inorganic qualitative analysis. Second one is the isomerism. Third one is the conformation analysis. And fourth one is the solid chemistry, solid state chemistry. So out of 4 units, let us take the first unit. That unit number 1, inorganic chemistry, chemical bonding. Now we will going to see. So that is the chemical bonding. Here in the chapter only I am going to discussion very important question only I am going to discussion. In the chapter only one important question is there, that is the hybridization concept. What is the hybridization? So let us take this one. Hybridization. This concept was proposed Lyson Pauling, which gives the information about the shapes and bond angles of the molecules. Next, what is the definition? Definition important. Remember, what is the definition? Intermixing of atomic orbitals of nearly same energy to form equal number of new set of orbitals known as hybrid orbitals. And this phenomenon is called hybridization. Okay, remember what is the intermixing of atomic orbitals of nearly same energy. Simple, intermixing of atomic orbital to produce the equal number of hybrid orbitals. So this concept considered as a hybridization. So here orbitals is there, s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital is there. So here now we are going to discuss first concept is the mixing of s orbital and p orbital to produce the 3 hybridizations. One is sp, second one is the sp2, third one is the sp3. Out of 3, let us take the first one, sp hybridization. So what is the sp hybridization? First you have to give the definition. What is the sp hybridization? So here sp hybridization, sp hybridization means one s orbital and one p orbital combined to form a 2 sp hybrid orbitals is known as sp hybridization. So one s orbital and one p orbital combined to form 2 sp hybrid orbitals is known as sp hybridization. Example, beryllium dichloride and carbon dioxide and acetylene. Formation of beryllium dichloride, let us take and we will discuss that one. In beryllium dichloride, in the central atom, remember beryllium is the central atom. How to identify the central atom in the given compound? So which is the least number element taken as a central atom? In beryllium dichloride, chlorine 2 atoms is there, beryllium 1 atom. 1 atom that considered as a central atom. Beryllium is the central atom. So according to beryllium, atomic number is the 4. Ground state electronic configuration is the 1s2, 2s2, 2p0. Here, so now we can generate it and accommodation of the one s orbital and one p orbital for the combined with the chlorine atom. In that purpose, beryllium in excited electronic configuration write down. In beryllium first excited state, so 1s2, 2s1, 2p1, 1 is a 2 electron in previous ground state, 2s2. So now we write down the 1 electron promotion or jump in s orbital to s orbital to p orbital. So what is the configuration? 1s, 2s, 2p. In p orbitals, px, py, pz. So one s orbital, here one s orbital and one p orbital. Then in the excited state in beryllium, 2s orbitals is there, 2p orbital. So one s orbital and one p orbital combined to form 2 sp hybrid orbitals. Each sp orbital contain one lone pair of electrons. So here sp2 sp hybrid orbitals containing the one lone pair electrons. So this ready to combine with the another two atoms. So that is the chlorine atoms. Each sp hybrid orbital beryllium undergoes the overlapping with the pz orbital of chlorine atom. So remember here only hybridization formation only lone pair of electrons. Here sp orbital containing the one electron each sp hybrid orbitals, means here one electron is there. So here now let us take the chlorine atoms. Here this concept you have to remember carefully. Each sp hybrid orbitals of beryllium undergoes the overlapping with the pz orbital of two chlorine atoms. In chlorine atom, one last 2pz orbital containing the lone pair of electron, that orbital is readily to overlap with the 2sp hybrid orbitals. So this type of bond formation will take place. So to form the sigma sp pz bonds in beryllium dichloride exist in the linear shape and the bond angle is the 180 degrees. This is a very important concept you have to remember. Chlorine atoms and the central atom is the beryllium 2sp hybrid orbital, each one containing the one lone pair of electrons. The chlorine atom also 2p orbital. This is the one lone pair of electron. This is the one proton. So finally bond formation here taking place. Here this type of structure will be formation. Beryllium central atom, here chlorine and chlorine is the formation. Sigma sp and p overlapping taking place. Or this simple configuration you can write down, also write down beryllium chlorine atom. Here remember 180 degrees. So what is the shape of this molecule? Is the linear shape. So finally conclude I am going to discussion. So previous we will discussion about the sp hybridization. So example, let us take the beryllium dichloride. Bond angle is the 180 degrees. Shape of the molecule is the linear. So whenever most of the time molecule is the linear shape, that is the bond angle is the 180 degrees. So remember this box, remember carefully. sp hybridization example beryllium dichloride and bond angle is the 180 degrees. Shape is the linear shape. Okay. Now let us discussion of sp2 hybridization. Same similar previous manner. Here one s orbital and one p orbital, one s orbital and two p orbitals combined to form a three total one s orbital and two p orbitals, means total 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals is known as sp2 hybridization. So in sp2 hybridization example is a boron trifluoride, boron trichloride and sulfur trioxide. So out of this one we will discuss only one. So in the case of remember sp2 hybridization, in the sp2 hybridization example boron trifluoride, you have to take that one. Shape is the trigonal planar, bond angle is the 120 degrees. Most important concept you have to remember in the box matter. So what is the hybridization? Hello.